If ChatGPT is showing that it's unable to load conversation history, don't worry. This is usually a simple issue you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step methods to get your ChatGPT chat history loading again. We'll start with the quickest fix first, then move through connection checks, account refresh steps, and browser cleanup options that solve the problem for most users. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT and refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is only temporary, and a simple refresh is enough to reload your conversation list properly. If that doesn't work, move on to checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop ChatGPT from loading your chat history correctly, so make sure you're connected to reliable Wi-Fi or a strong mobile data signal. If your connection looks fine and the problem is still there, the next step is to log out of ChatGPT and then log back in again. This can help reset your session and fix account-related loading issues. Just make sure you sign in with the correct account, especially if you use multiple logins. After that, if ChatGPT still won't load your history, it's time to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with how the site loads, so clearing it can often solve the issue immediately. If you don't want to clear everything right away, you can also try opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private browsing window. This gives you a fresh session without old cookies or cached data getting in the way. In many cases, that alone is enough to make your conversation history appear again. So to recap, the main fixes are to refresh ChatGPT, check your internet connection, log out and log back in with the correct account, and then clear cache and cookies or use incognito mode. These steps solve most conversation history loading problems without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.